Hey guys, Aaliyah the Traveler. So my first stop in Kosovo is the capital city of Pristina. The vibe here is absolutely amazing with a great downtown city center, fountains and statues, great restaurants and bars to see all over the place. The city has so much to offer, from exploring libraries to cathedrals, churches, amazing artwork and graffiti all over the city. The Kosovo Museum is a great stop to explore Kosovo's history, from historical ages to military history, artifacts. There's even great painting and artwork sections to explore there, and even their Declaration of Independence as a nation. Pristina has beautiful parks to walk with great cafes scattered all throughout them. One of my favorite areas is a great street in the downtown city center with music, concerts, festivals, movies, small bars and eateries that change every single night. So definitely check out Pristina in Kosovo. Thanks guys. Namarje.